everybody. Today we're going to plant up the Tootsie Turvy herb garden. Now some of these I can't do right now, like basil is still too cool to do. Same with the tarragon, I don't even have it yet, but my thyme, my chives, my parsley are all good to redo. The spearmint and the lemon balm are coming back from last year. So all I'm going to do with those, and the catnip, all I'm going to do is top dress it with a little bit of this good dirt. Now this is a mixture of black cow manure, regular potting soil, vermiculite, and peat moss. So just put top dressing on. Try not to cover the little shoots I started, but that'll give it some good, a good start. Now, we're not going to waste this material that we have in here. We're going to dump it into the mixture that we're using, and we'll just mix it up. So we're not losing any soil. Now with small pots, it has a tendency to dry out, lose soil through the hose, and stuff like that. So what I use is a regular coffee filter in the bottom, which helps keep the soil from going through the hose. Of course, you'll have to have a little hole for but when you put the dirt in and everything, you punch it through it. Okay, once I get the coffee filter in there, I take and decide where it's at. Poke a small hole for the rebarb to go through. And then I layer it in the bottom, and I put the dirt in on top. Now this one's going to be the chives. I'm going to put 2 in this one, since the chives are really kind of small. Make sure that you can see they're ready for transplant. So take this coating off them. You don't really have to, but I find that the roots do much better if I've taken this coating off. My garden cats, they always like to help. Okay, this is Taffy. She just had 5 kittens, so